What is up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. As you can see, today I'm in the Mustang and I'm cruising with my boy in the Hellcat, 6.2 Hellcat. You already know. He's vlogging, I'm vlogging. We're about to hit the kind of PCH because it is so hot. Being inland, we want to get as close to the beach as possible. Hopefully the weather's a little cooler. I know I haven't posted a vlog in a minute. You guys are probably mad at me. And I apologize, man. I've just been going through a lot. Had kind of a family emergency. We had a death in the family, so it's been a little rough. And then also I got the new car. I've been kind of dealing with that and kind of working on the reveal and all that good stuff. So you guys will see that soon. Just stay tuned. Trust me, it's worth it. You guys are gonna love it. But today I just needed to kind of take a break, take a little bit of a drive and kind of chill and just enjoy the weather. You know, it's getting warm, so it's time to kind of just enjoy this summertime. So 6.2 Hellcat just picked up his car. He got his calipers painted white like I told him to, and it looks really good. And I'm in the Mustang today. I felt like taking this thing out. This thing's been sitting for a little over a week now. I just got this car scheduled in to get the oil pump gears done. They came in this week. I have them in the truck. I'll show it to you guys in a little bit once we pull off. But we're ready to go, man. Ready to go for E85. This thing is going to be locked and loaded pretty soon and pushing a little more power. Cannot wait. Sorry, dude. I know I'm being a little loud, right? Yeah, a little too loud. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at this dude. Call something, man. 6.2 Hellcat is a snitch. Calm down, 6'9". As soon as we get close to the beach, the weather just gets good, man. The weather is like really, really nice now. I-82 numbers are going down, so that's a good thing. Yeah, man, the weather's getting better. Nice and cool air. Supercharger loves the cool air. Kitty right behind me. We did a pull on the way here, but yeah, man, the Mustang holding it down. Pops are just so fucking loud. I feel like my exhaust is about to blow off.
No, honestly, it feels like, yeah, the tips are just going to shoot out. It's literally
Yeah? That's awesome. So she looks angry?
Yeah.
Did you like that little pull though? Come on, you did. This guy's just vlogging, man. I turned him into a YouTuber, boys. I turned him into a goddamn YouTuber. No plates, but the Daytona looks super clean. It's funny because he has an SRT plate and my plate from behind says cute SRT, and we're cruising together, so it's pretty funny. Hey, what do you think the people think when they look at my plate, cute SRT, and then you have an SRT plate just cruising around?
That's what I was thinking. Like, people are like, cute SRT and then the SRT.
You're just right next to it.
I know, seriously.
Probably everyone thinks like we're about to race.
Probably think we hate each other.
Yeah. Hey, fuck you! Get out your car, bro. Come fight me.
Make a video, bro.
Make it go viral. Oh man, that's funny. That thing is badass. What you got under the hood of that thing?
Yeah?
What you got under the hood? What do you have inside of it?
430.
430, alright. It's pretty quick. I think it's pretty sweet, man. It's a nice ride, yeah. Bunch of car enthusiasts out here. He has a 430 under there, he said. Hell yeah! Bumping that Dre. Man, I want to get on that level, bro, where I'm driving down on PCH, bumping Dre, just living life. Oh my God, one day. Once y'all help me get to 1 million subscribers, we'll do that. Get us a nice convertible and come cruise down here. But right now, this baby will have to do. Oh, check that out. Give us a thumbs up, hell yeah. Whew, what a drive. So, just pulled out of our little PCH drive cruise, whatever you want to call it. Everything's closed. Literally everything is closed. We like drove around trying to find a good place. Nothing's open. There's actually quite a bit of people driving around too. It's kind of funny. But I wanted to try to find a good cool spot on the beach to park and get some pictures and stuff, but not happening. Bro, there's like everything's closed. Dude, I know. And there's a lot of people out just wandering. Out. Yeah, like just wandering around.
So nobody's wearing masks.
Nobody's wearing masks, man.
A single person walking wearing masks.
It's crazy.
The coast is something else.
Yeah. All right, guys. I told you I will show you the oil pump gear since I do have them. You've never seen them either, huh?
I've never seen it before.
All right. Do you mind holding this for me?
Yeah, for sure.
So we're gonna just go through everything that this car is getting in the next week. I got this off Team Beefcake Racing. Finally came in. Hella slow shipping, guys. I'm disappointed. But other than that, finally got them in. Got the Foundry oil pump gears, and the crankcase sprockets. So pop these open, and they are right here.
So those are oil pump gears?
So this is the oil pump gears that, so the stock ones are not billet like this. So they actually can break because they vibrate and they can crack, and then it just sends it through your engine and you're screwed. So these ones are billet, so they'll never really break.
So that little thing is a pain in the ass to install, huh?
Yeah, because you got to take off so much stuff to get to it.
Damn, okay.
Yeah, so that's that. And then the sprocket is right here, which is also something that you just might as well replace while you're in there. So it's just a billet sprocket as well. So hopefully this stuff does me well.
Yeah, it looks like some good quality stuff though.
Yeah, this company's like, that's their bread and butter. That's all they do is these gears. So I should be in good hands. And have I showed you the rest of the stuff?
No, I haven't.
Okay. We'll run you through them real quick. So there's that. There's our booster pump, which is going to give more voltage to the fuel pump. Pretty much be able to supply enough E85 to the engine. Now we got the injectors, which are the IDX 1050s. Got these off my buddy. So yeah, ready to rock and roll.
Looking pretty clean.
Yeah.
Injector dynamics, yeah.
I think they're the best in the game.
Oh, yeah, for sure, best quality.
So there's that. And lastly, you need an
With the IAT.
yeah, IAT little sensor right here. So that one as well. And then I got a new tuner that's going to be tuning the car, but I already installed that in the car. So yeah, just another week, boys. We're going to be turning up the power. I'm just not going to turn it up too much, and you guys probably don't know, like, you're confused as to like why I don't want to anymore. But you want to tell them why I'm not turning it up?
Yeah, he got a new little toy, so
There's no need anymore.
There's no need for
Yeah.
to turn it up that much, because yeah, there's no reason anymore.
Okay, so that's all we're gonna leave it at today. But I can't wait for you guys to see the new car. You've been in it already. I took him for a ride.
It was a mind-blowing experience. I've never been in that fast of a car before. So
Jeez. Check out that McLaren.
right as McLaren goes.
Don't hype it up too much, bro.
Yeah,
it's not that fast.
Yeah, it was pretty slow.
It's pretty slow.
Yeah.
So he's gonna be turning it up soon too. There's some mods planned for the kitty.
Definitely.
What did you do today? You want to show us?
Yeah, so today I just got my car back. I pattern coated my brake calipers.
Who told you to do that?
This guy did right here.
There
so,
you go.
Yeah, Rush originally had the idea of painting the calipers to match my Hellcat badge as well as the Daytona badge in the rear.
Dude, it looks good.
I mean, that looks beautiful. I love the way it came out.
I think with the black and white thing you have going on is really sick.
Yeah, definitely. So
Let us know what you guys think in the comments below.
Yeah,
If you guys
yeah.
dig it. Definitely better than stock, that's for sure. Just
yeah,
looking
yeah,
at
the
it.
black was just too basic. So.
But now you might have to do like carbon ceramic brakes to make sure that.
because I think with white, especially, it's gonna get dirty like really fast.
Yeah.
So I think about doing some like C28 like brake pads
From Power Stock.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, I've ran those before. Really good brakes. Just they wear out though, so you just got to be careful.
Right. Yeah.
All right, fellas. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little bit of a cruise, a little bit of a drive, a little bit of an update as to why I haven't been posting so much. I've been terrible at doing this YouTube thing, man. He's been killing it. I haven't. But you know, sometimes you just got to take a little bit of a step back and plan some things out for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It's your boy Rush, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.